Hey guys, this is Tawny Kroll from Krolls Korner. With Thanksgiving right around the corner, things can get stressful fast. You've got family to pick up from the airport, groceries to buy, and meals to cook. So today, we're going to get some of that grocery shopping done ahead of time, and here to help is Gary from Clawson Honda with the 2018 Honda Pilot. Looks like he's here, we better get going.
Hey, how's it going, Tawny?
Hey, good, how are you, Gary?
Doing good, looking forward to the trip to the store.
Yeah. And the heater really works too.
Yeah, I am sweating. Let's get that AC going. Another cool feature, air conditioning. So what are we shopping for today?
We're going to make mushroom sausage stuffing
and
pumpkin parfaits.
Hi everyone. While Tawny and I shop for what we need, let's review the ingredients list.
Real life traffic jam.
Check.
Oh, I don't know.
Hey guys, so we just made it back from Bonds and we're at Tawny's house. And before we go in there to get cooking, I just wanted to show you guys a couple quick storage options of the Honda Pilot. First is going to be this hidden compartment. This is perfect if you're carrying firewood, something a little bit maybe more messy, and you don't want to get the rest of your car dirty, store it in there. Of course, you've got your flexible seating, so these seats pop up if you need them. But of course, if you need the storage space, they're really easy to lower, and you've got a much larger trunk area. And then finally, you also have these grocery hooks here. So you just throw the bag right on the hook, and then that way they're not rolling around while you're driving. So those are our 3 tips for the Honda Pilot. Now let's go in and see what Tawny's cooking. Hey Tawny, so how's it all looking?
It's going great so far, but first I wanted to tell you, I really thought that the turkey was going to be the key ingredient for Thanksgiving, but that Honda Pilot out there really pulls it all together.
Absolutely. I mean, it's a perfect family car. It's got a lot of size and a lot of storage options, so for the holidays, it really couldn't be better. But I'll let you get back to your cooking. Let me know when these recipes are done, and I might swing by again.